Hello YouTube, and welcome to another general vlog video. Today we're finishing up the caulking to hide this door, and then we've got a little bit to do around to the front. And by a little bit to do around the front, I mean we've got to make a piece of trim for the front door and do some caulking over there, and then we are ready to paint. So I just kind of thought I'd bring you guys along on this final episode of the caulking. And you can see that all I've got to do is from about right here to about right here, and I also got to make it look like one of these. So let's get to it. A lot of caulking to be filled. And just kind of filling it in there. I could have put a piece in here, but like I said, I got to make this look like one of the ribs, whatever you call it. Whew. I'm probably blocking you guys from everything that you can see. Let's get you over here. All right, so now that we've got the basis of it filled in, now what we got to do is go and kind of gently press our finger down in there to kind of try to get it to look like a rib. And there's a lot of excess caulking, as you can see. But now, I will put this on my putty knife because I'll use it up to the top. I think that right there should do it, and I'll come back and clean up these edges. So let me get my ladder out because I want to go back up here and redo all these up here like I did before. So let me get everything together and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so I found a piece for up here, and it's just gonna, I took that piece out. I'm just gonna measure it, get it where I want it, and get it put in there. All right, let me go cut this. All right, now let's see if it fits. Fits, it does. Okay, so I think okay, so I'm going to shim that. Just to bring it out a little bit because it's off center right there. I don't know if you guys can even see what I'm doing or not. Get you over here. All right. There we go. Alright, I get that all caulked on the top and the bottom, and I see a little bit of my trim come through. Alright, let's get some more caulking done. Move you guys over here. Alright, so there it is. I think it's looking pretty passable. You may not be able to tell that. Try to get you guys down here. Try to get you out of the sunlight a little bit to where you can actually see. There we go. So I got that trim board up. Yeah, it's not the right color, but once it all gets painted, I think it'll all blend right in. The only thing that I'll do is once this caulking below dries, I'll go in here and square up these little channels to make it look correct to me. Other than that, it's ready to paint. Well, you can hear motorcycles and four-wheelers and everything out today. It's a beautiful day out. Yeah, even that feels good. I thought that might be a little bit of a ridge there, but I filled up as many holes as I could around it. That way it just doesn't look like anything's happened, and I'm hoping that once it's painted and then this trim board here are all painted and everything, I think it'll really look out, it'll look good, I do believe. The only thing that I wasn't able to do is my kitchen window is not square with my loft window, and there was no way possible that I could have done that. No way. So I did the best that I could there. So now that we've got all of that, I guess we're ready to move on to the front door. And once we do the front door, then we're ready to go tomorrow to buy paint. I'm excited. All right, and the last thing that I want to do over on this side was, I feel like I dropped a bunch of screws and nails. Let's get you guys down here. So I'm going to try to avoid all the caulking and see if I can't pick up some screws and nails. Goodness gracious. Well, there's a whole handful. So there's potentially a lot of flat tires. So I'm going to do it right over in here real quick. And that's why I want to do it over there. I knew that bolt was there. Alright, so that should do it. Let's go around to the front door. Alright, so now over here we've got this. I've already got it cut. when we get it nailed in. Grab me some nails right here. Get it up in there where it goes. Find something to shim back in there real quick. It's kind of off a little bit. All right, so I got that piece in. Let's get a little caulking done. Yep, I think we're out of caulking. Go get another one loaded. Okay, so it looks like down at the bottom of the door is the only thing that I got left. So we'll get it all swept out. There we go. Let me turn my alarm off. Alright, so let's get down here and get this little bit done, and we're done. Alright, well, I hope I got a partial tube somewhere. I'm out and I've got about 6 inches to go. Alright, and I did. I had just enough to finish that up. And I'm getting ready to go around now to make sure that I've got everything caulked that I need to get caulked. And then tomorrow we're going to be painting, so I'll bring you right back. Alright, so I went around and checked everything and everything looks great. All the caulking's done. Just waiting on it to dry. I think this door will blend in really well once it is dry. So with that being said, you guys please give this video a thumbs up. Should be the next video that you start watching, should be color going on this place. I'm going with a brown, similar to this. I'm going with a brown and then green trim to match the roof. And we've got a little spot of damage up here to fix eventually. That'll probably be next year. So anyways, that being said, you guys please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, like and subscribe. Once you're subscribed, make sure you smash that bell notification, go all the way up to the top and click all so you'll be notified on every single video that we post. And share us on your social media pages. Follow us on Facebook under General Vlog Video. And remember guys, when I ask you to subscribe, it's not like a magazine subscription. It does not cost you a dime and is 100% free. It just helps our channel grow the same way as a thumbs up helps our channel grow. With all that being said, I hope you guys have a great day and even better tomorrow and an awesome night. And remember, I may have all my caulking done and I'm ready for paint, but I'm still my own camera guy, which means I got to get up close and personal and gently poke you guys in the ear to turn this thing off. We will see you guys on the next live stream or the next video. And please, please, please be safe. We'll see you on the next video or live stream. Bye.